Understanding Don't Get Involved, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, don't get involved. It's a phrase you might hear in various situations, and understanding its nuances can really help you navigate conversations more effectively. Let's break it down together and explore what it really means to avoid getting involved. Don't get involved is a phrase that advises someone to stay out of a situation. It suggests that by not participating or interfering, you might avoid unnecessary problems or complications. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts. It's a warning or advice to keep a distance from a specific issue, conflict, or situation that is either not your responsibility or could potentially lead to negative outcomes if you were to get involved. There are several reasons why someone might advise you to don't get involved. To avoid conflict. They believe getting involved might drag you into unnecessary disputes or arguments. For your protection, the situation could be harmful, and they're looking out for your well-being. It's not your concern, the issue at hand doesn't directly affect you, and there's no need for you to intervene. To prevent complications, your involvement could complicate matters further instead of helping resolve them. Understanding the intention behind the advice can help you make better decisions about how to respond. When someone tells you to don't get involved, here's how you can respond. Respect the advice. Acknowledge the suggestion and consider the reasons behind it. Assess the situation. Think about the potential risks and benefits of getting involved. Make a decision. Decide whether to follow the advice or if you have a good reason to get involved, perhaps in a cautious and respectful manner. Communicate your decision. If you choose to get involved, explain why you believe it's important. If not, it's okay to say you've decided to stay out of it. We hope this exploration of the phrase, don't get involved, has been enlightening. Understanding such phrases can help you navigate English-speaking environments more confidently and make informed decisions about when and how to engage in various situations. Remember, the context is key in deciding how to respond to advice like this. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future. Stay curious, and happy learning!